Hi, I made this 3D platformer game as for my entry to Coolest Projects 2021. I use Godot engine, which I downloaded from Steam, and it uses GD script. I made this game because in the future I wish to improve it and make it a full game which I can enjoy, me and my brothers and friends, and hopefully people online. What I found most difficult is when the character is dead. So I made a variable which is set to false, and over here I made it so if it touches a invisible platform, he will restart the game. Here is where, first of all, this is where the player spawns. This is his collision shape, which I made a capsule, and all these platforms they are in here, obstacles, and each platform consists of just a static body and collision shape. The static body just to give it a sprite and make it like for this grass. And decorations is all the flowers you see. There are many flowers in this game. So the player will jump until he reaches here where I made it. He can take two paths. Each of these white cylinders are in here, enemies and things that kill. Each one consists of a mesh, which is how we can see it, collision shape, and the animation player. What the animation player does is basically just make a move. I made it if the player touches any of these white cylinders, he will restart and go back to the beginning. And I made this course, which is just a bunch of flowers, but there is a green enemy inside, so he's basically camouflaged, so you will not see him. Here he is, and he's basically the same as the other ones. I just made him have a different movement, and the mesh instance I made it green. This part is the most challenging, I would say. Lines will move in the same direction, and this one will move up and down. So I'll show you in a bit, which is how hard it is. So let's start the game. So I made it so if I hover over the play button, it will turn green. Now if we press it, if I press I would hide the mouse, and this will not annoy me. So let's say, for example, I died. Now my mouse is gone, but if I press U, it will reappear. If I press again, it will bring me back to the menu, and then I just press it again, play again. If I had more time, um, I would have done this. I created this mountain, and you see these blue outlines. That's the collision shape, which is so the player can stand on it. I was gonna do platforms all around it, so you have to jump to the top, and that's how you win the game. But I didn't have enough time. Thank you.